Hey guys, Eric here with Project DIY. Stay tuned because in today's video we're going to take this bathroom just like this right here and we're going to turn it into this. So let's get started. Alright, there we have it. We got the concrete poured in. Got our flames nice and level up underneath. Now it's just a waiting game. We got it smoothed out. We'll just let this dry up and then we're going to head up to the next stage. Alright guys, I use this Kills primer here. I put this just on the fresh drywall mud I had just installed. So you didn't necessarily have to paint the whole entire room. Uh-oh, look out. This is starting to look like a bathroom. Stay with it guys, you're going to see the finished product here in a little bit. Alright, I'm getting ready to lay the flooring. As you can see here, I want to make sure all my loose drywall's up, any dust or debris, and then any of the drywall clots that I had on the floor, I got them up as well. Clean up very good so there's nothing left underneath your floor and you won't have any issues. Alright, we are on the home stretch now. We are putting this luxury vinyl plank floor down. If you haven't watched it yet, go check out the video. I have one on how to install this, a little more in depth than what you're going to see here. So check it out. It is very simple. It goes down very easily. You can see that from here, but you can also, like I said, check that out in the video, and you'll be able to see a little bit more in depth of how easy it actually is. Alright, we're installing the vanity now. Also, I have a video on how to do that. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. We are almost to the end. Finish watching it and you'll see the finished product. Hey guys, Eric here with Project DIY. I've told you guys to stay tuned. I had some good stuff coming. We have this basement bathroom finished up. Got it ready to go. There's one small thing I don't have done. I'm going to show you guys what that is, and it's going to be another thing for you guys to stay tuned to watch. It's going to be really cool when I get it done. I'm not doing it right now, but I'll show you what that is. But let's take a look at this bathroom, see what I've done to it. You'll see the pictures in the video of what it looked like before and what it looks like now. So let's check it out and see what we got here. As you'll see from the video itself, like this here, we had to frame this wall up. We've put the tub in. Obviously you can see the tub isn't finished. You can see the crack along there where the drywall isn't. Okay, so what I'm going to do with these things here, I'm going to make my own shower panel. Okay, you're like, how are you gonna make your own shower panel? Well, if you watch my videos and stay tuned, guys, hey, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Anytime I do anything new, you're gonna see it, you'll know it, and you can be like, man, that's so cool, I'm gonna try it myself. So hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel. When I do this, I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. It's gonna be sweet. You're like, well, that's probably gonna look too sweet. It don't look too sweet right now, but when I get done, I'm telling you, it's gonna be cool. If I had not have already done my shower upstairs, my master bathroom with tile, and it looks good, but I'd probably do this to it if I hadn't done that already. So that goes to tell you how cool it's gonna be when I get ready to do it. We had to get all this chiseled out. We'd already cut all this floor out. I jacked it out. I don't know if I had that on video or not, but I poured it back in, put our flange in. So we set our toilet. Got our vanity put in, came with it, got us a vanity light put in for it. When I ran my other lights, I ran this one here. There's several videos through this of just individual videos that I did. Watch them, check it out. I'll show you how to do more in depth, of how to do the floor. I did a previous video on how to set a toilet. Watch that video. I'm going to put one on here for the vanity, how to set your vanity in there. And like I said, you're going to have some coming out. I don't know when it'll be, but for this shower behind me, right here, it's gonna have, it'll have 3 panels. I'll have a panel here, and I'll have one big panel that'll be there. And it's going to look sweet. Alright guys, so I hope you liked this video. Hopefully it was helpful to you guys. Maybe you're wanting to redo a bathroom, or you're in the middle of it and you saw this video of something you're trying to do. You know, hopefully it's been helpful to you guys. If you would, subscribe to the channel, give us some likes, share the videos, hit that notification bell, and remember, as always, why hire a guy when you can DIY? Thanks for watching.